Hi, Dylan McGrath of EE Times here with Moshe Gavrielov, President and CEO of Xilinx. Moshe, thanks for speaking with us.
Thank you.
Earlier today, you were outlining some of the reasons that you believe market trends are in favor of FPGAs. I was hoping you might be able to run through those quickly for us now.
Sure, I'd be delighted to. From my perspective, and I've spent the past year talking to hundreds of customers who are Xilinx's major customers today, there are three sets of trends that are driving our customers to programmable logic. First and foremost are what I call generally market trends, as there's more and more of a consumer flavor to our customers' products as they need to get to market faster, as the products tend to have somewhat shorter life cycles than they ever have before. The flexibility of FPGAs, getting them to market on time, the ability to spin them quickly and to modify them is becoming more and more important in more and more applications. This is true in consumer applications, automotive applications, military applications, and actually even in some infrastructure applications where the life cycle is very long. Consistently hear from our customers that they want the flexibility of FPGAs because they actually want to upgrade the products during their life cycle, and FPGAs enable them to do that in a very, very structured way. So that's one set of drivers. In addition, there are a whole host of financial reasons, and these financial elements are actually exacerbated during this unfortunate downturn. When you look at what it takes to develop an ASIC or a standard product in an advanced node, that overall sum is approaching $50 to $100 million when you look at the 40 nanometer and definitely at the node beyond that. There are less and less applications that can justify that level of investment, that can tolerate the risk and can actually handle the long manufacturing cycles that are inherent to an ASIC or a standard product. So that's the financial component. The third component actually relates to technology. With today's FPGA technology, you can actually implement a very advanced system that can address a whole host of applications with reduced power at the right cost point in an FPGA, and that is a huge leap forward which enables FPGAs today to be used broadly in an ever-increasing number of applications.
All right, so are we going to see the end of the ASIC soon?
Well, I think there will always be ASICs, but the number of ASICs that will be designed is actually going to shrink, and more of them will only be targeted at what are almost guaranteed high volume applications. Otherwise, it's very difficult to justify the cost, the risk, and to tolerate the long time it takes to design an ASIC which is targeted for a specific product.
But certainly for those applications, the ASIC will still have advantages that the programmable logic can't match.
Well, they will have some benefits in terms of the ultimate cost, but even there, when you look at the new advanced solutions, then a major component of the price is actually in the package and test. So even if the silicon is by definition a little more efficient, the overall cost is not that much better. So I think again this narrows the market for ASIC solutions, and there will always be ASICs, but it's the number of ASIC designs is going down, and it has been going down for numerous years. I expect this downturn actually to accelerate that trend.
Okay, and finally, you also earlier today you noted that there may be some skepticism because, as you pointed out, this is the FPGA vendors have been saying for some years now that the factors are finally in favor of FPGAs. This is the time of FPGAs. Why is it different?
Well, it's different because there's the confluence of these three elements. There's the value that the flexibility provides is going up. In addition, the cost of the alternatives is becoming prohibitive, so there are less and less applications that can justify that cost and handle the risk. And most importantly, the new generations of FPGAs are actually capable of providing a solution which hits the right price point, which addresses power reduction and enables the right level of functionality to accelerate this phenomenon. We call this the FPGA imperative.
Okay, Moshe, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.